Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Viber messages is disappearing. So first what you need to do is to open Viber, then click on more at the bottom right corner. Then from here, scroll down and go to settings. Then from here, look for privacy and open it. Next, look for disappearing messages by default, so tap on it. Now, if this is on, like it is set to 10 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day, turn it off. So click on off, just like so. If it is enabled, messages are meant to disappear. Nothing is wrong. Then go back and see if that solves the problem. Another thing you can do is to close Viber fully. So close Viber app and reopen it again and check if that solves the problem. You can also try to reinstall and install it again. So go to App Store and search for Viber, then open it and install it again. So you can also update the app and make sure you're using the latest version. And that's basically it.